It doesn't really matter what you've done dentally in the past. We're just happy that you're in our office, and we want to do everything that we can to give you a positive experience and get you a healthy mouth.
Hygiene here is similar to restorations and new patients here. You're gonna get the hygienist time for the full hour. You're gonna see the same provider each time you come. You're gonna get the level of care that you deserve and that you want.
The more that you can communicate with someone, it just informs them, and hopefully that makes them feel more comfortable. Something as simple as, would you like some glasses to wear? Let's take that bright light out of your eyes. Maybe recommending wear some headphones or your earbuds, just so you don't have to hear the instruments. And then also maybe, would you like a blanket? We have all those amenities.
And we provide the highest level of technological care possible. We have ultrasonic scalers and wireless x-ray heads and anything else that you may need while your teeth are being cleaned.
Patient education is huge because a patient needs to understand the value of what we are doing. You know, your mouth is the gateway to the rest of your body. So any bacteria that's in there spreads. So it's important to let them know those things and, you know, home care as well. So that way when they come back, it's easier for the both of us.
We're very open to patients asking for specialized care, whether it's be more gentle, be more rough. But our hygienists are very open to whatever the patient's needs may be.